மேபி இட்ஸ் டாப் காலேஜ் கரெக்டா? ஹை கட் ஆப் இருந்தா தான் அங்க சீட் கிடைக்கும். இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தான் என்ன கட் ஆப் அப்படின்னு ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? நீட் மார்க்
720.
7.
Preparing for NEET turns you into a different person. You don't care about going out. You don't care about having friends. You don't care about having a social life or social media.
We different.
So நீங்க ஒரு தனி ட்ராக்ல இருப்பீங்க, இந்த உலகத்துல இருக்க மாட்டீங்க.
different world.
So coaching institute கண்டிப்பா வேணும் தானா? Coaching institute
Coaching institute is not necessary. Like our self confidence is
okay.
Yes.
Money was my motivation.
What do you do?
First year MBBS. First year MBBS student.
First year MBBS student.
Okay. How hard was getting to MBBS?
Like what I feel is like for studying everything, like there will be some methodology to study anything. Like if we get that means, then we can study anything.
Actually MBBS போகணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஐடியா வந்து கண்டிப்பா ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் இஸ் a must and practice is very must, so we can definitely we can achieve.
I think if you have a good hold over the syllabus and if you practice a good number of MCQs, getting into MBBS is pretty easy, especially if it's your first attempt since the syllabus for NEET is just 11th and 12th, and if you're in the 12th grade, you'll be giving your boards anyway, so giving NEET along with 12th, I believe it's easier since you can cover the syllabus more efficiently.
So which college are you from?
ESIC Medical College.
ESIC Medical Government College Chennai, KK Nagar. Maybe it's a top college கரெக்டா? ஹை கட் ஆப் இருந்தா தான் அங்க சீட் கிடைக்கும். இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தான் என்ன கட் ஆப் அப்படின்னு ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? நீட் மார்க்
720.
720.
The cut off for general category was 660 out of 720.
And
yeah,
you
640 plus we have to buy.
Like I got in the IP quota.
How long did you take to clearing NEET?
No, I took 3 attempts.
3 attempts. And you?
1 attempt.
1
So
attempt.
2 attempts actually. 1 year I repeated.
Oh.
First attempt.
Which coaching did you do to NEET?
No, I joined in Sri Chaitanya.
Oh.
I joined in Green Park Coaching Center.
It's located in Chennai? Karur.
I attended online classes from this institute called Vedantu.
முன்னாடி நான் அதை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு ஏதாவது நினைச்சீங்கன்னா அது என்ன சொல்லுங்க?
ஸ்கூல் படிக்கும் போதே நீட்டுக்கு வந்து சைட் பை சைட் we have to prepare.
Okay.
No,
Then
without
only
also we can. Without also. From inter also, we if we do hard work means we can.
Okay.
But just not only reading the state board books, it's not enough.
Okay.
We have to prepare for the NCERT.
Correct. So நீட்டை கிளியர் பண்றதுக்கு இது மட்டும் போதாது, ஸ்டேட் போர்டோட சிலபஸ் மட்டும் போதாது.
Look, for NEET, only NCERT is enough. Only NCERT. We have to study NCERT, biology, physics, chemistry, everything.
Line by line, page by page, we have to study.
You get rigorous MCQ practice. Otherwise, there's no point in writing NEET.
ஸோ உங்களோட யங்கர் செல்ஃபுக்கு ஒரு 2 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க 10th படிக்கிற அந்த டைமுக்கு ஒரு அட்வைஸ் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ MBBSல உங்க கரியர் அப்படி நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, அந்த டைமுக்கு நீங்க ஒரு அட்வைஸ் கொடுப்பீங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன அட்வைஸ் கொடுப்பீங்க?
Consistency is important. Do not underestimate any subject. You have to give equal importance to all 3 subjects.
Okay.
Do not leave biology thinking it's easier than physics and chemistry. You have to pay attention to biology too.
Biology, everyone can easily got.
Okay.
We have to focus on physics, chemistry.
Okay. So what's your inspiration choosing MBBS? Any motivation?
My interest, my passion, everything.
Okay.
Passion.
Any influence? Maybe parents, teachers?
Money, man. Money.
Money. Once you get into the job after UG, how much salary expect?
It depends on which state you're from. If you're from Kerala and all, you'll probably get paid somewhere between 20,000 to 50,000. If you're working in a government setup, you'll probably get paid 50,000.
Okay.
Again, it depends on where you're working. In other states, or if you're working in central government institutes, you can get paid up to 90,000. Again, it depends on where you're working.
Depends on the specialty. So cardiologist, like that specialty also.
So what's your career goal after MBBS?
Serve the society, how to serve the life.
Daily எவ்வளவு நேரம் படிச்சீங்க ஞாபகம் இருக்கா 12th டைம்ல?
1 year I suffered a lot.
இதுதான் regret.
Morning 5 o'clock, then night 12 o'clock, up to we continue reading only. Actually in Green Park, they are not allowing phones also. Only reading.
Many colleges, they won't allow.
Okay. So social life இருக்காது உங்களுக்கு, படிப்பு ஃபுல்லா படிப்பு.
That only got me to this place.
No, I was like, no, I don't want any friends. I don't want anyone. I want to read this. I want to read. My mind was like that in before the NEET. Like I want to do it. This time.
இத செஞ்சே ஆகணும். ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிடையாது அந்த டைம்ல எடுத்துக்கவே மாட்டீங்க.
Because we know about ourselves, right? Like if I speak to someone so much, I'll speak continuously like that.
Preparing for NEET turns you into a different person. You don't care about going out. You don't care about having friends. You don't care about having a social life or social media.
Okay.
We different.
Different. So நீங்க ஒரு தனி ட்ராக்ல இருப்பீங்க, இந்த உலகத்துல இருக்க மாட்டீங்க.
Different world.
நீட் கிராக் பண்ணி MBBS வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க? காலேஜ் உள்ள என்டர் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம்.
This is another different world. Look.
So இந்த லைஃப் ஈஸியா தான் இருக்கா MBBS உள்ள வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம், இல்ல இதுவும் ஹார்டா இருக்கா?
Hard work. It will be like it going like so we are tight only this world, but we used to. We will be
method which we habituated in for NEET now, we should continue that itself. Constantly we should continue it. We should read every day.
Okay.
But now we are interested only, right? So interestly we are pursuing with this MBBS.
Okay.
So only happily we are.
So இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் பிடிச்சிருக்கதெல்லாம் நீங்க ஹாப்பியா அத பண்றீங்க.
People they are passionate about to become a doctor means they can do it. Like no passion, like they want to do like something and all they want to do, like they can't
do MBBS na they won't.
Like first you should get interest to do that, like so like that.
ஓகே. சோ ஏதாவது ஒரு விஷயத்தை அவாய்ட் பண்ணிரலாம். இப்போ ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு அடுத்த ஜெனரேஷன் வருவாங்கல, படிக்கலாம்.
Social media they have to avoid.
Please avoid having crushes on the opposite gender. You'll waste a lot of time thinking about them.
MBBS ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஏதாவது டிப், அட்வைஸ் இல்ல உங்க எங்க செல்ஃப்க்கு? மேபி முன்னாடி இது எனக்கு தெரியாது, ரொம்ப லேட்டரா தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன், இந்த ஸ்டடி ப்ராசஸ்ல நம்ம ரொம்ப லேட்டடா தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன், இல்லாட்ட நான் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அட்வான்ஸா இருந்திருப்பேன், அப்படி ஏதாவது?
Lecturers words is enough. They'll know anything. They know everything, right?
Okay.
Like they have seen many of our seniors, like how they are toppers, like lowest.
Okay.
They have seen many people. So they like before you only when we entered for NEET coaching like that, they'll motivate us. Like they'll tell how to read, how to not to read, how to go with that. First we should select some good coaching institute for to get good teacher like that.
So coaching institute கண்டிப்பா வேணும் தானா? Coaching institute?
Coaching institute is not necessary. Like our self confidence is
okay. Discipline.
Like, even if you don't attend a good coaching institute, like watching lectures on YouTube would be just enough if you have a good source of MCQs to practice from. What you really need is perseverance. You need to you have to have the motivation to sit down and actually read your textbook and then solve questions rigorously. And again, you have to have self-belief too, because without that, I mean, you are your biggest motivator in this journey. They'll probably don't push you as much. So you need to believe in yourself. You need to have, motivation to work hard. Without these, you'll not get. Money was my motivation. So in the future, like, I think I created an image for myself. Like in the future, I need to be here. I need to earn this much, and that's what like kept me motivated throughout.
MBBS போறோம் அப்படின்னா money based minded we should not.
Okay.
In a money based minded.
Passion, நான் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணனும், பேஷண்ட பார்க்கணும் அப்படிங்கற மைண்ட் செட்.
People are there so much of interested to serve people are like
we can got in every job. In engineering course also we can.
Correct.
So it's our interest. Medical means it's our interest.
Okay. Maybe government college போது உங்களுக்கு ஃபீஸ் அஃபோர்டபிளா இருக்கும் நினைக்கிறேன். Maybe 5 lakh வருமா MBBS oral?
Yeah, 5 lakhs.
5 lakh. Full course 4 years முடிக்கிறதுக்கு 5 lakh.
5.2.
Next 1 year internshipல இருப்பீங்களா? 1 year internships. Hey, best of luck. Thank you. Thanks for your time. All the best. எல்லாருக்கும் நிறைய விஷயம் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்க. மேபி நிறைய பேருக்கு இது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கலாம். MBBS aspirant ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. your time. All the best. எல்லாருக்கும். Thank you. Channel.
Oh, big channel only.
It's already seen.
Oh, I watched it. See, I watched it. Is there red light?
சொன்னேன் ஆல்ரெடி நீங்க வாட்ச் பண்ணிருக்கலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு.